everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're close, very close because of the title of this video. Now you know I'm gonna be unboxing, showing, trying, doing swatches and everything about the Conspiracy palette. It's finally here. I got it today on Morpheus store and it was a madhouse to get this palette. So without further ado, let's start this video. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know I have this palette, and here is the Conspiracy palette. This is so beautiful, people. This palette is just amazing. Here is the palette. This is the component, how the palette looks like. Is white and black at this point. Again, I'm pretty sure you already have seen this. It had the same closure as other palettes from Jeffree Star. So white and black, Conspiracy, this kind of like situation in here. It's a very nice looking palette component. It's heavy. It looks very elegant, and when you open it up, this is not a joke. These things are not a joke. They're like real. And oh my god, voila, here is the palette. And people, this is so stunning. The mirror is so big and nice too. Super impressed with this. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, look at that green. This is a dream come true. Let me show you the colors right now. The T, Conspiracy, Ranch, Diacola, Pigment, Pills, Not a Fat, Food Videos, Tanacon, Sleep Paralysis, Trisha, Root Beer, Illuminati, Cheese Dust, Just a Terry. My right is here. Wow. Flaming Hot, Spiraling. The next item that I got from this collection, I just wanted to show you everything first, and then we're gonna apply in the eyes and I will let you know what I think about it. Is this box right here that is a hand mirror, and we're gonna be using it. As you know, as you've been seeing on my videos, this is my current mirror. This is the one that I've been using for a little bit already. So this is the new addition of the family for me and for Jeffree Star. So let's open this one and see how it looks like. Very well protected, just like the previous mirrors from Jeffree Star. And I got the pink one, was the only one that it was available. And here is the mirror. Oh my god, I'm sorry. This is the mirror. It's very big. If you see a size comparison of this mirror and this, they are very different. It's just totally different shape, but it's bigger, so you can see your entire face. In this one, you can see it too, but it's a little bit like smaller. Everything looks smaller actually. In this one, everything you can like see everything. Like, it's a good quality mirror. I love the design. I love the material. It's the same material of this one, so I know it's gonna last me forever. It haven't get out of place or any glue or anything. And this, tell me this is not so much Shane in here. Like, we have been seeing a lot of his videos talking about the piggies and all of that. So this is a very cute mirror. I love it. I would like to get the black one, because the Conspiracy and everything is kind of like a black situation, but that wasn't available in the Morpheus store and I couldn't get anything online. I don't know, that was a madhouse. But here's the mirror. Let's start with the base, and I'm gonna be using Tanacon. And it's a very soft, beautiful color. The other one that you can use as a base, even though it's a little bit pinkish, is my Pills. But I'm gonna be using Tanacon. Again, it has a base. It's a very soft brown color, and it has so much pigment. Like, oh my god, and I got so little. This product has so much pigment. It is super easy to blend. Like, I barely did anything. This is so good. Very little goes along. Be careful when you grab the color because it punches hard, like hard. Depends what you want. You need to be careful because this is a lot of pigment right off the bat, and if you grab too much and you want something softer, you end up getting something too dark. impressed, people. I'm impressed. This is the first eyeshadow palette that I get from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So far so good. This is good. I'm gonna be making two different looks. I'm gonna be using, maybe, obviously I already used the same base, but I'm gonna be using now for the left eye, I'm gonna be using the Dyed Ruth Beer, which is a darker brown. I'm gonna be using it here, not too low, not too high, just to give it more dimension to the look and make it seem like I had a gradients with the same color, even though it's a different color, but it's basically the same family. I'm gonna show you, you can make a very, very elegant and sophisticated look even with this palette, because I know a lot of people are afraid of Jeffree Star Cosmetics because they have so many bold colors, but Jeffree Star is smart. He has colors for everybody, believe me. Now we're applying a sleep paralyzing, and we are putting in the mobile part of the eye and all of it, and it's, oh my god, this, I haven't made this wet. I haven't done anything like to make it pop up more or anything like that, and I am so impressed with this color right now. What do you think, guys? This is so beautiful. I'm gonna punch a little more of it. This is so beautiful. Get it out of here. This is so pretty. Get out of here. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna blend this a little more here. For the lower lash, I'm gonna be adding again the Dyed Ruth Beer. And now we're gonna be grabbing Ranch and we're gonna put it in the inner corner. It's a very pretty color. Haven't encountered anything that I'm like, wait, I don't like you. Everything is so beautiful. Like, seriously? I don't believe you. Yeah, that opened the eyes so much. So beautiful. The sleep paralysis has a little bit of fallout, so I'm just gonna remove that. Do you like this eye look? So beautiful. I think it's beautiful. It calls my name so much. Now let's do the other eye, and as I told you before, I'm using Tanacon as a base basically. So let's grab a different color. Let's make this a little more colorful, cheerful. Let's grab She's Dust, super beautiful color, and add it in this area of the eye. Not too low, not too high. Super beautiful color. I really like it. I love it. I love how easy they are to blend. I don't think this is a $52 palette. Are you sure? This is a good palette. It's a really good palette. What's the tea? A very soft blue. If you want something darker than this, well, this is a very soft kind of like bluish color. If you want something darker, in the mini one they have more blues, but this one is very pretty though. It's something more soft. I'm adding it in the whole mobile part of the eye, and it's very soft. Let's grab Conspiracy, and remember, I'm not making these brushes wet. This is the way the pigment looks like right from the palette to the eyelids, and let me tell ya, this is a good color. The majority of this type of shades, I need to make them wet to work. This is not the case of these colors. It's a very beautiful green color right there. I like it. I'm gonna be using the same color Ranch for the inner corner. For me, Ranch is an inner corner color basically. I mean, I can use it all over the lid too, but I kind of like for inner corner. Kind of like that super bright color that it would open your eye basically. And for the lower lash, people pray for me. I'm gonna be using food videos. Oh my goodness, Not mad at all. I'm gonna use food videos again in the outer corner of this look to make it more cohesive. And this one has a little bit of fallout too. I think the one who had the fallout was Conspiracy, which is very normal. Not too bad. I just wipe it off and that's it. This is the complete look basically, guys. Look at this eye, how beautiful it looks like. And now look at this other one. Tell me that is not beautiful. I love it. All the products that I use for this makeup look are gonna be listed down below. And for the finale of this video, guys, here's my mirror. Here is my Conspiracy palette. And down here, I have one mirror and one Conspiracy palette for you. Here's the mirror, here's the Conspiracy palette, and also here are one of the set brushes of Jeffree Star Stan Morphe. These 3 items are gonna be going for a giveaway. All the rules to enter to the giveaway are gonna be down below in the description box. Hope that this video was informative for all of you and you enjoy as much as I enjoy making it for you. If you like high-end makeup, if you like a little bit of fashion, please consider subscribe to my channel. Also give a big thumbs up to this video, and guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!